Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing the questions of the chapter Real Numbers which had occurred in the year 2020. The first question is, the LCM of two numbers is 182 and their HCF is 13. If one of the number is 26, find the other. You have to find the another number. So this question was asked for 2 marks. So without any delay, let us quickly see how to solve this problem. So first we have to record what is given in the question given. The LCM of two numbers is 182. So LCM is equal to 182 and their HCF is 13. So HCF of two numbers is equal to 13. If one of the number is 26, so we have to choose two numbers such that one number is 26. So let the two numbers be A comma B. So they are telling that one of the number is 26. So let A is equal to 26. Let A is equal to 26. Then find the other. We have to find the value of B. That is, we have to find the other number. So we have a formula to find the another number. Very simple formula. The formula is LCM of two numbers into HCF of two numbers is equal to product of the two numbers, that is A into B. So let us substitute the values which is given in the question. LCM is 182 into, what is HCF given? 13 is equal to, we have taken that one number is 26. So A is equal to 26 and we need to find the value of B, 26 into B. So as we are in need of finding the value of B, we will transpose this 26 to left hand side. So it becomes 182 into 13 divided by 26 is equal to B. I have just transposed 26 to the left hand side. As we have 26 into B, when I transpose it becomes division, divided by 26. So simple calculation, don't make it complicated, don't multiply these two, just simplify it in a easy manner. So we can simplify this as 13 ones are 13 twos are. So I got the answer as 182 divided by 2 is equal to B. Now I can even furthermore simplify this with 2 table. So 2 ones are, and here I can simplify it as 2 nines are 18 and 2 ones are 2. I got the answer as 91. 91 is equal to B. The value of B I got here is 91. So very careful students, you don't have to multiply 182 into 13. You can just simplify it in an easy manner. So here after cancelling you will be getting the answer as 91. So the another number B is equal to 91. This is the solution for the given question. Second question from this chapter given in the year 2020 is, prove that 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number where root 7 is given to be an irrational number. This question has asked for 3 marks. So what are they telling? They are telling that to prove that 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational, and they have already given that root 7 is an irrational number. So first let us record what is given. Given root 7 is an irrational number. So what are we need to prove? To prove 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. Very simple proof, students. Only you have to go with 5 steps, you will get the answer. So let us start with the proof. As I have already made a separate video for proving root 5 is an irrational number which has occurred in the year 2023. If you have not yet seen the video, you can go back to that and watch that video so that you will have a better clarity. So now let us start proving this. I'll just brief out the concepts even in this video too. In order to prove this, we have to go with contradictory method. That is, we have to assume 5 plus 2 root 7 as a rational number. So let us assume 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number. So if 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number, I can express that as 5 plus 2 root 7 is equal to P by Q. Because we know that rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P comma Q are co-prime positive integers. Co-prime positive integers. Now, so here I have got the equation as 5 plus 2 root 7 is equal to P by Q. I'll transpose this 5 to right hand side. It becomes 2 root 7 is equal to P by Q minus 5. So 2 root 7 is equal to, now I need to take the LCM. So in the denominator of 5, if I don't have anything, it will be 1. Here the LCM is Q. So if the LCM is Q, I can write it as P minus 5Q in the numerator. So I got P minus 5Q divided by Q. Now again I'll send this 2 to right hand side. So it becomes root 7 is equal to P minus 5Q divided by 2Q. I have expressed root 7 in the form of P minus 5Q divided by 2Q. Here we know that P and Q are co-prime positive integers and also Q is not equal to 0. So if P minus 5Q divided by 2Q, it is satisfying the meaning of rational numbers. If this is a rational number, then obviously root 7 should be a rational number. So here it is telling that from this equation I can understand that root 7 is a rational number. But what is given in the question? It is given that root 7 is an irrational number. Understand carefully, student. In the question they have already given that root 7 is an irrational number. But due to our assumption, what we are proving is root 7 is a rational number. We have proved that root 7 is a rational number. Which is contradictory to the given statement, that is root 7 is an irrational number. So this tells that our assumption is wrong. That is, we have assumed 5 plus 2 root 7 as a irrational number. We have assumed that 5 plus 2 root 7 is an rational number. Sorry students, we have assumed that 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number. This assumption of what we have assumed is wrong. Therefore, 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. So I can write this as, this contradicts our assumption. This contradicts our assumption that 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number. This contradicts our assumption that 5 plus 2 root 7 is a rational number. Therefore 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. Hence proved. So this is the proof for the second question. Very simple question which is asked for 3 marks. So no need to worry. If you just practice, you can get the marks easily. And if you have any doubts, you can just put it in the comment box so that I can go through that and make videos based on your doubts. Thank you, students.